Hi, my name is Randelsi and I am a senior web developer. I have been developing software for the last 10 years and I want to do a series of videos where I create an application, web application from scratch using the new technologies, the Next.js, the Tailwind and other technologies. I will go through them right now. And the reason I'm doing this is because I have a side project, which is the programming language that I'm creating myself, and I need a website for it, right? So I was thinking if I would create a website, why don't I film it and post it on YouTube? So basically this is it. I will be creating a website for my side project. Starting off with Next.js, I'll be using it for front end, and I have a good experience with Next.js, but obviously I don't know all the things that are here. For example, I haven't used the dynamic HTML streaming, I haven't used the server actions, but I know how all this stuff works. Next, I'll be using the Tailwind CSS for the CSS part, and I have experience developing one page with Tailwind, but that's all. I wouldn't count this as an experience, but I know how it works, I know what it is doing, so that's a big plus. Next, I'll be using the MongoDB for the database. And I'll be honest, I haven't used the MongoDB at all. I have always been using the Postgres, so this is about to change. For the payment processing, I'll be using Pedal, and the reason for this is because Stripe is not supported in Ukraine, and I can see on their website that they have Ukrainian company here, so Pedal should be supported in Ukraine. And the problem though is that I have no experience using Pedal, so this is about to change. Next, I'll be using Drizzle as a ORM, and I would use Prisma, but it is a bit too heavyweight, I think, in my opinion. And Sequelize, from the other hand, it is not fully supporting the TypeScript as I wanted, so the choice is obvious. For authentication, I'll be using the Next.auth, and maybe even I will try the auth.js. Usually I would develop authentication myself, but this time I want to outsource this to a library. For infrastructure, I'll be using AWS paired with Terraform, the infrastructure as a code tool. So we start from running this command in our terminal like this. So I chose this configuration where I chose TypeScript, no ESLint, with Tailwind, without SRC folder, with app router, and with customized import aliases. Next, I load the project into Visual Studio Code, and these are the extensions that I will be using. And I'm not sure about this one. I'm not sure if I will be using my own programming language in this project, but I installed it also. Then I installed the linter for my project. I'm using standard JS because it is easy to install and it doesn't need any kind of configuration. Then I changed some files, so linter doesn't complain. Also the packages that I'm using is here. So the files that I changed, and also prettify a bit the TypeScript config. Also I cleared the structure a little bit, so I uploaded my favicon. I removed the styles from globals that were created by Next.js. Then I changed the font in layout, changed the metadata. And then in page I also removed all the stuff that were created by Next.js, and then removed all the Next.js files and added the robots.txt. Then I committed the changes and I finished for today. I forgot to tell you that I will be working on this project only 30 minutes a day, and you can see already that I'm working on it an hour instead. So the idea is that I don't want myself being overwhelmed with this new project, because this is just a website for my side projects. So I need time to work on my side project also. So yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.